Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. This episode is a real fan favourite. We're taking a closer look at the Martin B-57B Canberra. This kit is in 1/48 scale and this boxing was released in 2009, making this the most recent released entry into the Retro Unboxing series. In fact, this tool was most recently released in 2019 with new decals. You may have noticed the fantastic box art. It shows the C scheme, a Martin B-57G that belonged to the 13th Bomb Squadron, 8th Tactical Fighter Wing, Ubon, Thailand in 1971. I'm sure you've been checking out the sprues in the background, but they really look fantastic. This kit looks ready to build. Have you ever built this kit? Would you like one? Let me know in the comments below. During the early 1950s, the US Air Force looked for a jet-powered medium bomber to quickly replace the ageing propeller-driven Douglas B-26 Invader. So in March 1951, they gave Martin the green light to build the British Canberra in the USA. Fast forward to July 1953 and the Martin-built B-57 took its maiden flight. And when production ceased in 1959, a grand total of 403 Canberras had been churned out for the US Air Force. Quite the achievement. Now onto the decals, and I must say they're looking mighty fine. And don't forget the cherry on top, a pamphlet from the 2009 Airfix Club. I have got a soft spot for the black and gold Spitfire. Does anyone in the comments below happen to be a card-carrying Airfix Club member back in 2009? Let me know in the comments below. Now onto the schemes. Of course I've already mentioned the C scheme. The A scheme is the Martin B-57B 822nd Bomb Squadron, 38th Bomb Group, France 1966 to 67. The B scheme is a Martin RB-57E Patricia Lynn, 6,250th Combat Support Group, 2nd Air Division, Tan Son Nhut, South Vietnam 1963. And there you have it folks, our thrilling journey through the marvellous Martin B-57B Canberra kit. Stay tuned for more riveting retro unboxings and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and of course share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.